Hello, friends. My name is Meenu, and I want to talk about retirement today. What do you mean by retirement? Mm, yeah, many of us know that retirement is when you get last paycheck of yourself at the age of 60, 62 years. Yes, but I'm not talking about that retirement. You are getting retired from your job, from where you have been earning bread and butter for you and for your family. But I'm talking about your life. Never retire. You should do whatever you love to do. As soon as or as much as possible your health is supporting you, you should do that. Whether it's gardening, whether it's meeting different people, anything. You can even share your experiences to people that can enrich their knowledge, even their, they can learn something from your experience because it's a good thing you learn from others' experience as well. It's not always that we have to do something and we learn from our work, our failure, or our success. It's there that we can learn from others as well. So that you can do. If you like literature, you can read them out. You can write few literature as well based on your experience, based on your life learnings. Anything you can do. And there are so many things. Just you have to feel that what you love, do it until your health is supporting you. After your health issues, you can check what you can do, but never retire till you do that. And it's not just for productivity or anything, it's for you. Because when you work what you love, you'll feel energetic, and your body, and your soul will be so satisfied, and it will give positive vibes to your society as well. In the book of Ikigai, also, it has been written that Japanese follow these rules. They never retire, but and they have longevity in their life. I'm not talking about longevity here, but I can talk, and I must say that it will give you peace, really, here and here as well, and you will die in peace because you were active, you were positive, you were doing whatever you loved in your life. So keep doing it. Never retire. Never ever retire.